Okay, in this last problem here, part C, we used our calculator to find that the projectile hits the water at 170.02 feet out from the cliff, from the base of the cliff. Now we're going to continue this on and do one more part of this, which is part F. This one says when the height of the projectile is 100 feet above the water, how far is it from the cliff? So if I look back up here at my picture again, 100 feet would be about halfway up the cliff here. So at 100 feet, right here is where this projectile is 100 feet above the water. Well, again, that means that we know a y value. We're looking for an x value. So let's use our calculator again to help us do that. So in my y2, I'm going to type in 100, and we should be able to see the same drawing that we just did on our paper. Here again is my projectile motion, the quadratic function. This straight line here is y equals 100. So at this point is where the curve is 100 feet above the water. Now we can intersect these two lines, or this curve and this line, by doing second trace, choosing number 5 for intersect, and then you want to get directly as close to on top of that point of intersection as you can. And then we hit enter 3 times, once for the first curve, once for the second curve, and then once for guess. And it's going to tell us now that this x value here is 135.7. So that tells us that the projectile will be 100 feet above the water when we are 135 feet out from the base of the cliff.